deadly movie theater shooting.
An unknown object doesn't equal taking out a gun and firing it at somebody's chest.
A dramatic afternoon in court as the man who allegedly opened fire at a Wesley Chapel movie theater faces a murder charge. Today, his defense team pointed a finger at the victim. Good evening, everyone. I'm Jameson Euler.
And I'm Linda Hurtado. Right now, Curtis Reeves is being held in jail with no bond.
He's accused of shooting and killing Chad Olson Monday afternoon over a fight that reportedly started because Olson was texting during the previews.
Today, Reeves made his first appearance in court.
Andrew Dowd begins our team coverage tonight live from the Pasco County Courthouse. Andrew?
And today, dozens of friends and family showed up here outside the courthouse to support Curtis Reeves, the former police officer now charged with murder. His defense team played up his contributions to the community in the past, saying that he wasn't a threat, but today a judge denied him bond.
He was hit in the face with an unknown object. At that point in time, he has every right to defend himself.
With supporters behind him, Reeves' defense attorney Richard Escobar called the allegations against his client weak, even painting Reeves as the initial victim. It's not clear what that object may have been. The state said there was no evidence that showed Olson ever even hit Reeves.
There's no indication in here other than the defendant saying that he was struck. All of the eyewitnesses that were interviewed by the Pasco County Sheriff's Office indicate they never saw the victim strike, threaten, or hit Mr. Reeves in this case.
The judge said regardless, Reeves' response was not justified. Reeves appeared by video. He stood handcuffed in jail as his defense team highlighted his past accomplishments as a police officer and ties to the community as a reason why he should be given bond. Ultimately, bond was denied. After the hearing, Escobar said he hopes to be back in court next week for a full bond hearing and again defended his client, asking people to reserve judgment until all the facts in the case come out.
This is an individual with great credentials. He's a great man. Certain circumstances happened in that theater. At some point in time, a jury is going to listen to those, and we're going to be able to have our day in court.
Meanwhile, many of the friends and family who showed up to support Reeves walked past reporters, refusing to answer questions. Only his sister-in-law had this to say about how the family is handling the situation.
Well, naturally, they're upset, but I can't say anymore.
Now, if convicted, Reeves could face life in prison. Ahead at 6 o'clock tonight, we'll have more on why the state says this isn't the first time Reeves had an issue at that same movie theater. For now, we're live in Pasco County. Andrew Dowd, ABC Action News.
And